The stock market is full of noise. Every day, you hear predictions, hot tips, and breaking news. But smart investors do not chase headlines. They look at long-term opportunities. And right now, as 2025 heads toward the finish line, there are some powerful stocks worth paying attention to. These companies are not just hype. They are backed by strong fundamentals, growing industries, and massive potential. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 5 stocks to buy before 2025 ends. And more importantly, I will explain why these companies could deliver real growth in the years ahead. Before we dive in, remember this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Investing comes with risk, and you should never invest money you can't afford to lose. That said, these are companies that investors around the world are watching very closely. Let's start with the first stock. This company is already a household name. It dominates artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data centers. Yes, I'm talking about NVIDIA. NVIDIA has become the backbone of the AI revolution. Every major tech company, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, is buying NVIDIA's chips to power artificial intelligence models. Its graphics processing units, or GPUs, are not just for gaming anymore. They are the engines of the future. From self-driving cars to advanced robotics, NVIDIA's chips are everywhere. And the numbers prove it. Revenue growth has exploded in 2024 and 2025, and demand shows no signs of slowing down. Even though the stock has already soared, analysts believe it still has room to grow. Why? Because AI adoption is only in its early stages. If the AI revolution is a marathon, we are still at mile 1. And NVIDIA is leading the race. But let's move to the second stock. This one is also tied to AI, but in a different way. It's Microsoft. Why Microsoft? Because it owns both the picks and the shovels of the digital gold rush. On one side, Microsoft's Azure cloud platform is growing faster than ever. Companies are shifting their data, software, and AI models to the cloud, and Microsoft is a top player. On the other side, Microsoft made a massive bet on OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. That partnership is already paying off. AI is being integrated into Microsoft Office, Teams, and even Bing Search. This means recurring revenue from millions of business users worldwide. Plus, Microsoft is not just about software. It's also strong in gaming with Xbox and Activision Blizzard, cybersecurity, and enterprise tools. When you combine all these factors, you see a company that is both stable and innovative. That's a rare combination in the stock market. Now, let's talk about the third stock. This one is in a sector that many investors ignore until it is too late. I'm talking about clean energy. And the stock is NextEra Energy. NextEra is one of the largest renewable energy companies in the world. It produces electricity from wind, solar, and other sustainable sources. Governments around the world are pushing for clean energy adoption. And in the United States, billions of dollars are being poured into renewable projects. NextEra is perfectly positioned to benefit from this shift. It not only generates clean energy, but also builds infrastructure for the future. That means long-term contracts, stable cash flow, and growth potential as energy demand rises. As fossil fuels decline, renewable leaders like NextEra are going to dominate. This is why many investors see it as a safe and growing bet for the future. But now, let's look at the fourth stock. This one is in healthcare. Because no matter what happens in the economy, people need healthcare. And one company stands out, Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly is at the center of 2 massive healthcare trends: diabetes treatment and weight loss drugs. Its new medicines have already changed lives, and demand is skyrocketing. In fact, some of its drugs have waiting lists because demand is higher than supply. Eli Lilly is also investing heavily in Alzheimer's research and cancer treatments. If any of these pipelines succeed, it could mean billions in new revenue. Healthcare is one of the most recession-proof industries, and Eli Lilly combines that stability with cutting-edge innovation. That makes it a stock worth holding long-term. Finally, let's talk about the fifth stock. This one is all about everyday life. A company so big, you probably use it every single week. I'm talking about Amazon. Amazon isn't just an online store. It's an empire. Its e-commerce business continues to grow, but the real power is Amazon Web Services. AWS is the backbone of the internet. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, millions rely on AWS for cloud computing. And now, Amazon is also investing heavily in artificial intelligence. From AI-powered logistics to advertising, Amazon is becoming even more efficient. And let's not forget its dominance in online retail, entertainment through Prime Video, and smart devices. Amazon is everywhere. And with its scale, efficiency, and innovation, it's not going anywhere. That's why many investors see Amazon as a must-own stock before 2025 ends. Now, let us step back for a moment. What do these 5 companies have in common? They all dominate industries that are shaping the future. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, clean energy, healthcare innovation, and digital commerce. These are not short-term fads. These are megatrends. And investing in megatrends is one of the smartest strategies you can follow. Of course, no investment is risk-free. Stock prices go up and down. Nvidia might face competition. Microsoft could stumble in AI integration. NextEra may be affected by regulatory changes. Eli Lilly could see setbacks in clinical trials. Amazon may deal with tighter margins in retail. That's why diversification is important. Never put all your money in one stock, no matter how promising it looks. But if you are looking for companies that could thrive in the next decade, these 5 are strong candidates. They have proven track records. They have visionary leadership. And they are positioned in industries with unstoppable growth. The question is, are you prepared to take action before 2025 ends? Because in investing, timing matters. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you wait until these companies are twice as valuable, the opportunity is gone. Think about it. People who bought Amazon in 1910 are sitting on life-changing gains. Investors who believed in Nvidia 5 years ago are now enjoying exponential returns. Microsoft shareholders from the 1990s are still winning today. The lesson is simple. Great companies reward patient investors. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes. So ask yourself, do you want to be the person who looks back 5 years from now and says, I wish I had invested? Or do you want to be the person who says, I'm glad I invested when I did? The choice is yours. These 5 stocks, Nvidia, Microsoft, NextEra Energy, Eli Lilly, and Amazon, represent powerful opportunities. They are not hype. They are backed by real businesses with real growth. If you are serious about building wealth, study these companies. Understand their businesses. And decide how they fit into your portfolio. Because when the history of the 2020s is written, these may be the companies that defined the decade. And if this video gave you value, make sure to hit the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel for more investing insights and financial strategies. And tell me in the comments, which stock do you believe will be the biggest winner before 2025 ends?